Expectation, investing money is enough. Okay, mag-invest na ako, Chinky. And in reality, one medical expense can wipe out our entire savings. Kaya nga, anong warning? Ito yung warning. If you do not have protection, you are not safe. What do I mean? Ang solution protection. Imagine this. It took you a lifetime to earn the money. It took you a lot of time to save and invest the money. But it only takes you one bad decision to lose everything that you've worked for. Agree or disagree? Taon ang binilang mo para kitain ng pera, para ipalaguin ng pera, para padamihin ng pera, pero isang maling desisyon lang ang kailangan mo para maubos ang iyong pera. Pwede ba ako mag-share ng mga kapalpakan ko sa buhay? My personal regret, number 1, not buying health insurance. That's my first regret. So, isi-share ko po sa inyo anong po nangyari.